Well, hello everyone. I'm just doing a quick video update with Cameron Teamstra of Tarachi Gold. Cameron, thanks for joining us this morning. I'm sure it's a busy day for you because you put out drill results from your Habali project, which were pretty exciting numbers. Before we get to those numbers, give us a lay of the land at Habali, what it is that what the asset is and what you're trying to do down there.
So our Habali concession is part of our larger package of Tarachi concessions in Sonora, Mexico. Habali specifically is just down the road from Alamos Gold's Mulatos mine, and it's also home to a small underground past producing mine called Ladura. And it's at Ladura that we've been doing our drilling, including the results that we released today, the very exciting results that we released today. So far to date, we've done 2 rounds of drilling from the underground workings. And we've also recently completed a round of surface exploration, surface drilling with an RC rig to test the down dip and a long strike extension of the mineralized system that we've been drilling there.
And this mineralized system appears to be sort of a panel of mineralization, east dipping, perhaps south plunging. You can move south along strike, but that's the sort of shape of the thing. And so, what were the numbers that you put out today? I'll let you name the excitement.
Well, the highlight was certainly hole number 9 for us, where we hit 6.91 grams per ton over about 63 meters, which is certainly the best intercept that Tarachi's ever drilled. And I think in terms of gold exploration in Mexico, certainly one of the best drill holes to date this year. In addition to that, we had a few other drill holes, including drill hole number 10, which came back with 42 meters of about 1.8 grams per ton. So certainly a couple great intercepts there, just kind of showing the continuity and also kind of confirming some of the results we had last year from a channel sample we did across the north-south face of the underground mine workings for about 65 meters. And we got to about 6.34 grams per ton over the length of that channel sample. So seeing the drill results that almost match perfectly with the channel sample is always great as well. And certainly one of the reasons why we're quite excited today.
For sure. So you're seeing some consistency in numbers, which, like you say, is really great to see. The length of this intercept, I mean, let's not let anyone think that this is a width. You were in the workings, and so you were drilling somewhat oblique, so along through the panel to some extent. But consistency is consistency, and that's exciting to see. So we will watch with bated breath for some of those other drill results so we can get a better sense of the scale of this thing and how it's shaping up. Now, of course, Habali is today's excitement, but Habali is by no means the only project in the Tarachi fold. There's the Magistral Tailings Facility, and there's the San Javier exploration project. So why don't you touch briefly on what the 2 of those are, because, they're definitely, the 3 together, they make the 3 legs of the stool that is Tarachi.
Sure. The San Javier concession is part of our Tarachi exploration package that includes Habali. It's a little further to the north, about northwest of Agnico Eagle's La India mine. And our drilling there at the end of last year, we targeted some shallow mineralization associated with the mineralized breccia system. And we're planning on going back there with our geologists and with the drill corps to do some deeper drilling to kind of determine if there's continuation at depth of gold in these mineralized breccia systems. And right now our geology team is working sort of all hands on deck down at our Magistral Mill and Tailings project. This is the one that's in Durango, Mexico. It's a tailings reprocessing project. We have a facility there that's custom built to reprocess the tailings at a rate of what we estimate about 1,000 tons per day. And right now we're drilling off that tailings basin with an auger rig. And the purpose of that is to provide the material that we need to produce an I-43-101 compliant resource estimate on the tailings, as well as to provide Ausenco Engineering, who's doing a PEA study for us on this Magistral project, the material they need to do some additional metallurgical test work. Our intention for Magistral is to bring it into cash flowing status and start producing gold sometime next year. We hope that we can begin commissioning the plant in the first half of next year. And really the vision for Tarachi is to use Magistral and its cash flow to self-fund our own exploration efforts going forward, either on Tarachi projects like Habali and San Javier or on other projects in Mexico.
There you have it. Short but sweet. Well, congrats on the drill result. It's always exciting to put out a splashy number like that, and one that is consistent with previous results is perhaps even more exciting. So congrats on that. And I look forward to keeping with the Tarachi story.
Likewise. Thank you.